Introducing you to the PipGems AI trading method, which will give you solid risk management tool. Let me show you how to use the PipGems AI Strategy Wizard. The first thing we need to do is take a screenshot of our pocket option trading window using the snipping tool. Make sure your capture includes your account balance, your available currency pairs, and their payout percentages, because that's exactly what the AI is going to read. Once saved, we'll rename the file to Pocket Option Trade and head back to the wizard to upload it. Just click Select File, find your screenshot, and open it. The AI immediately detects your account balance, your tradable pairs, and calculates the average payout rate. From there, you can set your daily profit target, your trading start and end time, and when you're ready, hit Generate My Strategy. The AI builds your personalized plan in seconds. You'll see your projected monthly growth, your daily profit target, your stop-loss level, and a Martingale plan with a base trade of just $1. It also gives you a ranked list of the top recommended pairs for your session, with win rates and reasoning for each one. Follow the critical advice, stick to your targets, and when you're ready, backtest the strategy before going live. Now we're inside the backtest configuration. You can see all the parameters are already pre-filled from our strategy: the date range, trading hours, currency pairs, and signal interval. From here, you can adjust things like the base trade amount, the Martingale multiplier, and the max loss streak. Once you run it, the balance history chart shows you exactly how this strategy would have performed based on historical data. The results look solid, so let's go ahead and use this strategy in the hub. The hub is now active. Our session is live, and you can already see a live signal coming in, AUD-CHF, a put signal expiring in under a minute. That's the AI filtering signals in real time based on our strategy settings. Let's head over to AUD-CHF on pocket option and follow that signal down. And we place the trade. But wait, notice something. Our base trade in the hub was set to $1, but we actually traded $20 on the platform. Those don't match, which means the Martingale calculation won't track correctly. So let's reset the session, re-upload our chart, and this time make sure we set the base trade to $20 before running the backtest again. Back in the AI Strategy Wizard, we upload the chart again the same way. Select File, open Pocket Option Trade, and let the AI redetect everything. Then we go back to our preferences, confirm the settings, and hit Generate My Strategy again. This time, when we get to the backtest configuration, we change the base trade to $20. Now the numbers are aligned with how we're actually trading. Hit See Trading Results, and look at that balance history. It's a clean uptrend, consistently growing across nearly 2,000 trades. This strategy is profitable, and the numbers back it up. Now we send it to the hub and wait for the next live signal to come in. And just like that, a new live signal is in. CAD JPY put signal, and our first trade is set at $20. Let's go over to CAD JPY on pocket option and hit Sell to follow that signal down. We'll resize the PipGems window so we can see both the chart and the hub side by side while we work. Now, here's an important step. We need to log this trade in the Strategy Hub so PipGems can track it properly. In the Log a Trade section, type in the currency pair exactly as shown: CAD JPY, all uppercase, no slashes or dashes. Then enter the payout rate based on what pocket option is showing you. In this case, CAD JPY is having 91%, so we put in 91. While we're waiting, a new signal just came in, AUD USD, also a put. And if you look at the CAD JPY trade on the chart, it's already moving in our favor. The trade is in a winning state, so we go ahead and hit Log Win to record it. Then we move on to the next signal without hesitation. We switch over to AUD USD, place the sell trade, and log it in the Strategy Hub the same way. AUD USD, payout rate at 84. Sometimes you might notice a sound alert coming from PipGems. That's the signal notification on other pairs that is not with our strategy. But remember, we only act on what's inside our filtered live signals window. If a pair doesn't show up there, we skip it and stay disciplined. One thing worth knowing, the live signal window will sometimes go quiet after a trade expires. even if there's remaining seconds, 10 to 1 seconds. You can access it via opening a new tab and check for its result using filtering active pairs. And it enters a cooldown period, which actually gives you a moment to breathe, log your trade result, and prepare for the next one without any pressure. And right on cue, the AUD-USD trade closed as a win too. And there it is, the green confirmation banner, daily target reached. PipGems is telling us we've hit our profit goal for the session, and the most disciplined move now is to stop trading and lock in those gains. But the platform also gives you the option to continue at high risk if you want to keep going. We'll tap that and keep the session running. Just know that anything beyond your daily target is bonus territory, and the risk rules still apply. You can always adjust where that daily target sits when you're setting up your strategy configuration. And scrolling down, you can see the full trade history for this session, both wins logged and accounted for. Another signal, USD JPY, a put direction. Let's navigate over to that pair on pocket option and confirm the chart is showing a downtrend opportunity. It lines up, so we place the trade and then log the entry in PipGems. Pair is USD JPY, payout rate at 86. We're in, and now we wait. The candle starts pushing up against us. That's not the direction we want, and unfortunately this one doesn't turn around. USD JPY closes as a loss. We go back to PipGems and log it as a loss. And right away, notice what happens. The hub switches to recovery trade mode, bumping the next trade amount up to $46. That's the Martingale system kicking in automatically, calculated to recover the previous loss on the next win. Right on time, a new signal comes through. AUD-USD, call direction this time. This is our recovery trade. The hub says $46. But here's where a small mistake happens. The trade gets placed as $20 instead of the full $46. To cover the difference, an additional $20 and $6 trade goes in alongside it, bringing the combined amount close to the target. It's not perfect, but let's see how it plays out. AUD-USD starts moving up, and that's exactly what we needed. Both positions are heading in the right direction. The two $20 trade closes green with a solid profit. And while the $6 position takes a small hit and a loss, the overall result is still positive. We log it as a win, the session balance recovers, and we're back on track. GBP CHF throws up a signal next. We're late on it, and we're going to skip it. We're already in a good position for the session, and there's no need to push it. The trade history at the bottom of the hub tells the full story. 2 wins, 1 loss, and a recovery win. The Martingale method handled the drawdown exactly as designed. And that's a wrap on this session. You've seen the full PipGems AI Strategy Wizard workflow, from uploading your chart, generating your strategy, backtesting it, and executing live trades with the hub, managing your risk in real time. If this was helpful, make sure to watch the rest of the video and follow us for more trading strategies just like this one.